Comparing two dates in Python did not work as expected. I would like to compare two dates in Python. However, the following program does not working as expected. As you can see in the output, today is August 11, 2019. Unfortunately, Python evaluated as false even though it's actually true, right? Output. What went wrong with this code and how do I fix it?
This is simply because you are using datetime rather than date. If you printed day 1, you would notice it is a datetime with a timestamp. Day 1 is August 10, 2019, 0 o'clock. To avoid the error, change your code as follows.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.